Today, my husband and I are going to be taking a look at this flagpole. In this video, we're going to show you what comes in the box, put it together for you, and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. This does look like it's going to require a little bit of assembly. In the box, you are going to have an American flag. That's really nice that they include this. You're going to have the solar panel that has the lights on the bottom. You have a long, thick, nice braided rope to hang the flag. This is the top piece with the carabiners that you have to thread the rope through. There is a decorative finial. Then you have 5 pole sections and a ground sleeve that you're going to put in concrete. This does require a 4-foot deep hole and gravel as well as concrete. We got to start by digging a hole.
Post hole digger would have been good also.
Yeah. If you have a post hole digger or a very thin shovel, it would be better. It says to make the hole 16 inches in diameter. Chickens! We have the ground sleeve in the ground. Your little finial has to go through the solar panel first and then attach to this part here. Also, the on-off switch is at the very top. So make sure that you cover this with a blanket or a towel and make sure that the light is on before you put this in the air. These are labeled.
Number 1's in the ground. And they just slide into one another. 1 is in the ground. 2 would be next. 3 slides into 2. 4 and 5 would be next. And there's a little ledge in there to where it won't let it slide down into the pole. So that's very nice. Then you got screw holes there and there. Comes with self-tappers here. So you'll need a drill, and they're pre-drilled. And then the self-tapper will tap into the next one. This is aluminum also, which is real nice. You know what?
Don't forget to take your stickers off. There is a bolt that goes on the bottom of this finial to hold it in place.
It won't go. Loosen your screws. Make sure it's on there straight.
We have some extra pieces that we couldn't figure out where they went. Maybe they were just for packaging, I'm not sure. Oh! Make sure you have your screws in before you try to erect your pole. Take 2.
I'm gonna go pole vaulting.
That is really big.
That's gonna look a lot better in a minute here. Oh yeah.
They give you extra carabiners, so you could technically hang 2 flags from this, but we're just going to do the American flag for now.
Don't let your American flag touch the ground. It's
Ever.
important.
Up we go.
Something like that.
I think we did a good job.
We did a
It
great
looks
job.
really beautiful.
It wasn't that difficult to put together or anything like that.
Because the flagpole is so tall, you absolutely do not want to skimp on the base. So get yourself some concrete, get yourself some gravel, and dig a hole. Make sure it's fully set before you put the flagpole in. Thanks to the magic of the internet, it is now the nighttime and the flagpole is lit up. The one thing I will say is that I really wish this had a remote so that you can turn it on and off if you wanted it off. However, it looks amazing by our Christmas lights that will remain up all year long.